Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. This is probably the most exciting video that I've ever filmed for my YouTube channel and definitely a big milestone in my life. You've read the title. I've been teasing this for a while and you guys had all sorts of different assumptions, but I bought a house and I haven't been able to completely process it, if I'm being completely honest. It's a very humbling moment. I'm filled with gratitude and of course I had to share this moment with you guys, because if it wasn't for me starting a YouTube channel, you guys watching my videos, this day wouldn't have come maybe so soon. So yeah, I feel like let's get started with the empty house tour, and then towards the end of the video I'll explain to you guys more about this house. Hi guys, welcome to my empty house tour. Come on in. So this is what the living room looks like. It's a very chotu sa Mumbai vibe ka living room. There's a space for your dining table, I'm assuming, and then we have a little corner for your sofa area and I believe your TV area also, and we have a balcony which is not that common for Mumbai. It is a very chotu sa balcony, but I feel like the view is quite pretty, and anyway it's a luxury to have a balcony, so this is what it looks like. Okay, moving on to this hallway right here. बहुत सारे दरवाजे दिख रहे हैं. Let's start with the first door. This is the kitchen. It's a very raw kitchen right now, but most probably हम इसे modular kitchen बनवा लेंगे, because I believe it's a mandate in the building कि modular kitchen होता है तो ही you can give it for rent, something on those lines. So yeah, this is what the raw flat looks like right now. Then here we have the common washroom. There are no lights, no bulbs, which is why it is a little bit dark in here, but it's a washroom. There's a shower area, there's a commode right here, and what I personally really like is that there is a dry area, I think that's what you call it, where you can keep your machine and stuff like that. आजकल के builders नहीं दे रहे हैं वो, तो यहाँ पे है, so I'm very happy about it, even though I'm never going to use it. But on to the bedrooms. दो bedrooms है यहाँ पे. I think let's start with the not master bedroom. This is the first bedroom out of the two. I feel like if I were living here, I would convert this into kind of like my walk-in wardrobe, dressing room sort of area, because I feel like it's the perfect size and it would fit all of my stuff. Now let's move on to the master bedroom. And welcome to the master bedroom and the last room in this house. This is slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and of course it also has an attached washroom. Let me show you what it looks like. काफी अच्छी स्पेस है यहाँ पे wardrobe और सबके लिए. And then here is the washroom. Again same situation, light नहीं है, but ये washroom भी slightly बड़ा है बाहर वाले washroom से. That was the room tour. I really hope you guys liked my little cute 2 BHK. If you made it so far in today's video, leave this emoji right here. Okay, I do want to clear out some things. ये घर में मैं move in नहीं होने वाली हूँ, मैं मेरा studio setup नहीं करने वाली हूँ. I bought this primarily for the reason of investment, creating assets. I'm probably going to be giving it on rent or eventually selling it if the price rises. So as I said, it's for an investment, it's an asset. I'm not going to be moving in here. You're not going to be seeing any kind of decor videos or moving videos for this house. However, I'm hoping sometime this year decor and moving videos will begin, because if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that my parents and I are moving into our new home, our dream home if you will, and that should happen at some point of time this year. We don't know when, but hopefully soon. But I just want to throw it out there ताकि confusion now, because I know होगा थोड़ा सा confusion. But I think that is basically it for today's video. I am so happy to share this very exciting news with you guys. I want to again take a moment and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It doesn't matter if you've subscribed, honestly. If you have, it's great, but if you've never commented on my videos, if you've never liked my videos, I feel like just watching me also means so much to me, and I am able to live my dream life because of you guys. I love making videos, and this is honestly the best thing that could have ever happened to me, and because of my job I have been able to buy this house because of you guys as well. So having said all of that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.